I got about 30 seconds before this is done. It's looking pretty good. There's about. There's Basha. 39, 38, 37, 36. I got about 5 seconds, so I'm going to flip it over. Now I got to shut this off. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm going to unlock it, flip it up. That looks nice. I'm just going to put this back carefully. Got a nice ham and cheese omelet. Bye.